Try to understand the question. A washing machine worth rupees 30,000 is available for a down payment of 50,000, 5,000 and 10 monthly installment of 2,720. Think you as a consumer. You are going to buy a new washing machine by paying the down payment as 5,000 rupees. So remaining amount should be settled within 10 months period. Okay, that is the first interpretation you have to do. Initially, let's find balance to be paid. Balance to be paid. So initially the total amount of that washing machine is 30,000 rupees. You have already paid 5,000 rupees as down payment. So we will subtract that. So remaining amount is 25,000 rupees. Rupees 25,000, that is the remaining amount. It should be settled within 10 equal months. But not exactly 25,000 only. They will charge some amount of interest as well. That's what we have to find. So from this they were given each installment is equals to 2,720. Look at this, the remaining amount we need to pay without any interest, that is just 25,000, but with inclusion of the primary amount with interest both together 2,720 per month. So we will find total amount according to the installment plan. Okay, the amount we need to pay, total amount according to the installment plan. According to the installment plan, how much we need to pay? In each month we have to pay 2,720 with principal amount with an inclusion of interest. So 2,720 should be multiplied by 10. 10 months, no, it will give you 27,200 rupees. This is somehow without any interest. Likewise, we have to pay 25,000, but they will charge some amount of interest, no. With that, we have to pay totally to 27,200. Now you can find what is the total interest to be paid. Total interest. It is really simple to find. How to find the total interest? The amount we have to pay, that is 27,200. But actually the remaining principal amount, that is 25,000. So after subtracting we can have 2,200 rupees. This is the total interest charged for 10-month period. For 10-month period, this is the charged interest. Let's recall what we did up to now. Total amount of the washing machine 30,000, 5,000 down payment, remaining amount 25,000. But actually that is not the amount we have to pay. With inclusion of interest, we need to pay per month 2,720 as installment. So for 10 months 27,200. From 27,200 subtract the principal, remaining amount 25,000, you will end up with the total interest. Then we have to find one more important thing, that is the monthly units. Okay, interest is charging not for months. For monthly units we have to pay the interest. We are clear with that from the previous classes. So here I will found the total monthly units within 10 months. Monthly units. How many monthly units are there? There is a formula, n into n by 2 times n plus 1. N means number of months. Since the number of months is 10, I will substitute 10 by 2 times 10 plus 1, 11. So it is 55. Within 10 months, looks simple. But inside the 10 months, there are totally 55 monthly units. 55 monthly units are there. Then we need to find what is the interest for one monthly unit. What is the cost of interest? What is the amount of interest they are charging for one monthly unit? We will find that. Interest for a monthly unit. A monthly unit. So how to find that? Total interest 2200. That should be settled within 55 monthly units. So when you divide this, you will get rupees 40. That is the interest for one monthly unit. Rupees 40 is the interest for one monthly unit. Then we can find the answer directly. What is the question? Find the annual rate. So to find annual rate, we have to correlate that with month. So totally 25,000 should be repaid within 10 months. So per month, okay, try to understand this clearly. Per month, the principal remaining amount per month, principal remaining amount is 2,500 rupees. 25,000 is remaining principal amount that should be settled within 10 months. No, I will find for 1 month. 1 month, 2,500 is the principal remaining amount. 2,500. Over that, you have to substitute interest for a monthly unit. Interest for one monthly unit. It should be multiplied with 100. This will give you, this expression will give you the interest for 1 month. I will repeat again. This is the principal remaining amount for month. This is the loan for, interest for a monthly unit. So when you multiply this fraction with 100, you will find interest for a month. Interest for a month. Likewise, we need to find annual rate. No, annual interest rate. So interest rate for a month is this expression. When you multiply this expression by 12, you can find the annual rate. I will repeat again from the beginning. In previous slide, we discussed about what is the remaining loan. That loan should be settled within 55 monthly units. So I found what is the interest for a monthly unit, that is 40 rupees. Thereafter, we will construct a relationship for a month. So remaining principal loan amount for a month is 2,500. Interest for a monthly unit, that is 40 rupees. Thereafter, it should be multiplied with 100. That will give you monthly interest rate. Monthly interest rate multiplied by 12. That will give you annual interest rate. Then we can simplify to get the final answer. We will do the simplification here. So 25. So it will become 1.6 multiplied by 12. 1.6 multiplied by 12. I'll write here. Yes. So after simplification, 40 divided by 25, it is 1.6. That is the interest rate for a month. It should be multiplied by 12. That will give you 19.2 percentage. 19.2 percentage. That is the annual interest rate that is charged by this particular company when we are buying the washing machine for rupees 30,000 while paying down payment as 5,000 rupees.